Welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's video, guys, it's a recreation video, yeah, which I was to post last month, but I got caught up and I didn't, so it's not a new video. I took the clip last time. I'm just doing the introduction now. So I saw this dress on Instagram and I was like, this one looks easy to create, and just, yeah, see how it's going to look. So I took my material, Ankara materials and everything, and I went on and create my own dress using my hands. So yeah, it's another DIY video and recreation video, whatever you can call it. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy and love the video. So now let's jump into the video and comment down below the end result. How do you guys see it? If you guys love it, and please remember to be tagging me on Instagram in any kind of video that's, or in any kind of post, clothes that you think we can recreate on this channel. I started by taking my hips measurement. Make sure you make it loose and not too tight because it's a free dress. So guys, if I'm going to be using wrong terms, I'm not a tailor or anything. I'm just doing my own stuff using my brain.
The world is filled with lies, but then again we're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't.
So when you're about to cut your dress, make sure you go extra centimeters, because when you're going to sew the dress, it doesn't this will help you when you're going to sew the dress. It doesn't get too tight, or it doesn't get small after you are done with all the process. Even when you are cutting the length, make sure you go extra centimeters, because remember, we're going to fold the place where we're going to put the elastic. So make sure you have enough space where you're going to fold and add your elastic. So now time to sew the dress.
Better watch what you keep from us before it's too late to go back. Our economy is broken. We shouldn't have to kill ourselves to serve someone else. This is I've been living, but I can't depend.
To sew your dress, make sure you draw a line that you're going to follow. Otherwise, you're going to do it wrongly and you'll be just going zigzag. Yeah, just draw a line that you know you're going to follow, and that way it will be so easy for you to do the rest of the process. I guess I explained this process nicely in my Ankara DIY top. Yeah, so if you didn't watch that video, please go back and watch that video to explain how to sew nicely your dress or your DIY stuff.
Before the storm, things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now.
So after you are done with one side, make sure to fold first the place where you're going to put your elastic to make it easier. So once you're done with like sewing that part, now you can go to the next step and we will be done. So guys, when you are doing like the other part of the dress, make sure you don't go till the end. Just when you reach here, make sure to stop and wait until you are done adding the elastic to finish up everything. Then after that, we're going to be taking the measurement of our sleeves. So for the sleeves, I decided to make them separately because I was like, sometimes if I want, I will be wearing the dress with the sleeves or without them. So that's why I decided just to make them separately so that it can be a double dress. Yay!
Don't know what we're doing. I'm so about to change the evolution. Wait to shake the ground, you feel it moving with the revolution. Used to be so simple. Haven't got a clue as to why the world is filled with lies. But then again, we're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't abandon this. I've been living, but I can't abandon it. With our eyes wide open, we won't miss a thing that you're doing. You better watch what you keep from us before it's too late to go back. Our economy is broken. We shouldn't have to kill ourselves to serve someone else.
What you order versus what you get. So what do you guys think? Did I nail it or it was just that? Failed. So guys, let's try to add to the... So, what do you guys think? How is it? So, okay, at least now it's looking like a dress. So, let's style it now.
Used to be so simple. again. We're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't abandon this. I've been living, but I can't abandon it.
What do you guys think? How is it? Did I nail it or it's just a fail? But I love it. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll just have to try this one. I don't know. But what do you guys think? Is it a yes or is it a no?
With our eyes wide open, we won't miss a thing that you're doing. You better watch what you keep from us before it's too late to go back. Our economy is broken.
So it's better when I have like this than on. So what do you guys think? How is it, guys? It's a nailed it or it's a fail. But I'll take it to my channel just to reduce a little bit the upper size. I just leave it the way it is. Tell me guys in the comment section. So let me try with these shoes. Wait. Let's remove the belt also and see how we are gonna look. What do you guys think? With the belt or without the belt? I guess with the belt it's better. Yeah. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't leave the channel without subscribing. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday we do cooking videos and on Friday we do fashion or any other kind of video. So till next time, stay safe and be blessed. I'm feeling my dress. Bye.